You understand? You ask a married man, 10-year-old married man, that I want to get married, he will say, oh, okay, good idea. But then if you are not happy with your marriage, you ask a question, great grandfather, you are not happy with marriage, you had your own complaints. Grandfather, you had your own complaints. Father, you had your own complaints. Brothers, elder brothers, they had their own complaints. Everybody, they had their own complaints. But why the hell they still feel that marriage is positive for me? No, it is positive. If you understand, I am trying to show you the spiritual side of it. If you see the spiritual side of it, it is how the existence and creation has to run. Because until otherwise, I add two alternate, see, current to localize in existence. You understand? Why we actually live on this planet, why we actually marry, and what are we, if we should clearly understand. No electricity, energy can be contained at a place without alternating poles. Carl Steinmetz, he is one of the biggest scientists. I really pray, I really appreciate, and I really thank him every day in the morning, because if had he not been present on this planet, seriously, we would never have had electricity. He did not invent electricity. Electricity was there, DC electricity was there. Electricity could never be transferred for a long distance. Now this man, a mathematician, only through the power of mathematics, he actually solved the problem about how to transport electricity. That is the reason why wherever electricity is produced, it is transported. And now, had he not created a mechanism to transport electricity, we would not have had this kind of all developments that we had. Now the point I am trying to tell you is, this man always said, it is by alternating the currents, electricity alternates 120 times per second. Electricity alternates 120 times per second, and so is any energy alternating within itself. There is no energy which does not alternate within its own self, and this alternating happens because energy, to contain itself as energy and not to dissipate and merge in the existence, it needs alteration of poles. And that is the reason why to exist identity we have heart and we have mind. The yogis of the Sanatana Dharma always said, be in a still mind. The truth is, happiness can only be found in a still mind. Happiness can only be found in silence. Happiness is found in you, not in objects. You accrue objects. You be a king, no issues. You have all the luxuries in your life. But until otherwise you achieve a state of mind which is fulfilling in its own self, you have not achieved a thing. Because no matter what, if you achieve a kingdom without a stillness of mind, you are creating problems. There are so many rich people with so many problems, mental problems, emotional problems, spiritual problems, every health problems, they have everybody. See, the truth is, a person laying on the ground, a laborer who works from the day, all through the day, and then in the evening he just on the pavement he sleeps, he has a comfortable sleep. And a rich man moving in a Mercedes Benz might feel that he at least has a comfortable sleep. I have a Mercedes Benz and I don't get sleep, and I am in more traumatic position than him. Technically he'll say. Now that man who is sleeping on the pavement will say, he at least has a Mercedes Benz to it, I don't have. Now this guy says, at least you are able to forget for some time during sleep that you don't have a Mercedes Benz. Okay, I in my sleep also am thinking about how to pay its EMI. I am, see, you have money, you are troubled. You have wife, you are troubled. You don't have a wife, you are troubled. You have money, you are troubled. You don't have money, you are troubled. You have not, you are troubled. But you are not troubled in whatever condition, when you find a state of being in your own self which is fulfilling for its own self. Only then your creation that is done in stillness, creation that is done in stillness can alone give peace, can alone give beauty, because there the harmony of alternating poles is nullified, is existing. The alternating poles, see, what your mind likes, your heart will not like. I promise you this. What your mind likes, your heart will not like. What your heart likes, your mind will not like. My mind will like something which is very pristine, very pure. My heart will feel like having a lot of people who love me. Am I clear with you? My heart wants a peaceful life. But in a peaceful life, have you ever seen a businessman or a man with a lot of money being in a peaceful way? And from the morning, no, when you get peace is the question. When you get peace, when there is no issue from the morning till the evening, in a 24 hours time frame, you don't have any problems, everything happening on its own, is called a peaceful life. Can you say like that? If you define that way, that no problems is peace, then by being rich or by owning a company, there is no way, in 4 people in a family, there is no way that you can avoid a fight. In 1,000 people, forget about 1,000, in 100 people, 50 people company, you are bound to have troubles. Yes or no? Yes. So that way